Look how beautiful. We're gonna go for a ride. I gotta go check on someone's cat. But first, I got that good. I got that good. That cracked corn, baby. And there are duckies. Come on, gang. This guy gets it. It's because I'm not my dad. They don't trust me as much. Yeah. I mean, you're there. You're in the middle of the street. You're in the middle of the fucking street. Oh. Sometimes you gotta do it. I'm on my bike on the way to your cousin's house so that I can check up on their cat. I'm like, I'll be pulling in like 2 minutes. And then I hit up Nate earlier and I said, what's your bike doing today? And he said, I don't know, I might be playing music later, but I might be able to ride before then. To which he texted me while I was on my way here and said that he would be available around 4:30. However, I am in Lincoln. He is in wherever the fuck he is. You are wherever the fuck you are. So I don't know how we're gonna, or where we're gonna meet up and all that shit. That's a theory. What's up, bud? Matt's back again. And where are we going? Huh? Did you get the address yet?
Special drive.
I don't know if I can do that this way. Maybe this way. The quickest braid I've ever seen. Look at her go. Look at her go. Look at her go.
Huh?
Sorry, you just braided that so quick.
You thought that was quick?
That was quick.
I was feeling
That was quick.
Really?
Yeah.
That was like 13 seconds.
Good on ya.
I got my hair quick.
Wasn't a good one. I fucked it up. I fucked it up. I was like, what the fuck was that? Well, it's 6 o'clock because the church is telling us.
You got a church?
I didn't know what the hell that was at first. It's majestic. It's the bells of our arrival. You know?
What?
It's the bells of our arrival. That's how they should know.
Those bells, dude.
Fuck those bells?
Yeah.
Why?
They fucking ring at god awful times, dude. Like literally, there's one that goes off at like 6 a.m.
I was gonna say there's always one at 6. It's like 6. It's threes. It's like 6, 9, 12.
Try to like
6
ignore it and go back to sleep.
Yeah.
It goes for like 5 minutes. So by the end of it, you're like, I guess you guys are gonna get the fucking off because.
Why are you leaving your bike running?
Just gotta empty the car of the gas, turn off the fuel because the floats are old, so there's no shut off really. So if it's just if I turn the bike off, it'll piss out a little bit of gas. No big deal. Just a little gas. Just a little gas.
Never heard anybody.
This thing sounds sweet, especially when you get like.
Does Ryan know we're here? Is Ryan here? Ah.
Yeah, they're here.
Got it. All right. Well, cool.
Suck